Hello, it's Peter again. Today we're at the Blenheim Butterfly House. You can see in the butterfly house here that they have butterflies particularly from Southeast Asia, so from Malaysia and Thailand. And you'll see the sort of plants that they're feeding on and the flowers that they're getting nectar from tend to be from those sort of areas, so there's a lot of hibiscus in here. This butterfly here is actually very similar to our Cinnabar moth that we have in the UK. We saw this on Cannock Chase this year, and we'll talk a bit more about that. During June we saw Cinnabar moths, which are a beautiful red and black. The caterpillars feed on Ragwort, which has lots of flowers, a bit like dandelions, and grows wild. It's also a rich source of nectar for bees and butterflies, such as this peacock butterfly, so it's an important plant for many species. Unfortunately, Ragwort is poisonous to animals such as horses and cattle and can be fatal, so you don't want it growing where they graze. It tastes bad when it's green, so the animals tend to avoid it, but when it is cut with grass for hay and fed dry, it can be really dangerous as the animals get a higher dose. Cinnabar moth caterpillars in numbers will eat a whole Ragwort plant and destroy it completely, and they have successfully been used as a biological control in various countries. Back in the butterfly house, there are zebra finches flying free. You can also get really close to the butterflies and get to see details such as their mouth parts, which really are a long tube, a bit like a drinking straw, which they use for sucking nectar from flowers. The tube curls up when they finish feeding to protect it. You can see in here there's a cabinet which has the pupae in it, and as they hatch they can come out of this. If you look down to the side here, you'll see that there's one that's emerged recently and its wings are gradually being pumped up until they reach the full size, and then they will harden. We've come out of the butterfly house now. It's as hot as it is in Malaysia in there and very humid, so we are pretty sweaty, and we've just come outside. As you can see, there are gardens here with agapanthus and other cut plants from around the world. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed that. If you have, then please subscribe, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then please like it, and if you haven't already done so, then please subscribe by pressing the button on the screen. There's another video suggested for you to watch, and we hope to see you again soon. Thank you very much. Bye.